He almost did it.
Look at look.
What's that one doing?
I got that on video.
Did you really? That was, oh, he's almost coming through. That's some more shit.
Hosted by the cast and creators. Live Sunday, January 17th at 9 on PBS.
You're making me laugh. Get up. Get up.
Yes. Stop.
His 331 and wins it again. 331 Turner booking. I'm with it. He stays healthy.
I'm recording it. I'm recording it.
He has power to all.
Did you get it stuck? Are you stuck? Here.
Through the morning, and a lot of this activity that you're seeing on radar right now will be ending and tapering off as we head toward late morning and early this afternoon.
No, 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 no.
Zoe Mort will get you.
Attack of the killer kitty. I can't get ready because of kitty. Kitty, I need my toes to get ready.
Food. I'm going to get your food. I'm going to get your food.
Hey. What's your problem? What are you doing?